Okay, so when we are changing from a percent to a decimal, we see we have 12%. So we're going to change the percent to a decimal point right here and move it 2 places to the left. Move 2 places to the left to change it to a decimal. Okay? Then when you have a decimal already, you're going to move it 2 places to the right and add the percent. So move 2 places to the right and add the percent. Okay, now we want to change a fraction to a decimal. So if we have 1/2, we're going to divide. We're going to divide the 2. We're going to put this under here, and that's a 1. And as a decimal, that would be 1.0. We're going to move the decimal point up here. And then we're going to divide. We're going to divide the 2 into 10. Okay, we're going to ignore the decimal point for a minute and divide the 2 into 10. And that goes 5 times. And when you subtract, you get 0. So you just bring this 0 up. And so, in fraction form, the fraction 1/2. Uh-oh, my pen is not right. Let me erase that and do that again so you can see it. So the fraction 1/2 is equal to the decimal 0.50 or 0.50.